Hello SDMs, very good morning. Welcome back. I'm your math teacher Vipin Harish. I hope you all are missing us. We are also missing you too. Student, again we are going to start our online classes and we will meet you here. I hope you all are taking care of yourself and your family too. Always wear a mask whenever you go outside and मुझे लगता है कि इस बार फिर आपका बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स रहेगा. आपको अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है रिगार्डिंग वीडियो, अगर कोई भी कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, देन यू डायरेक्टली आस्क टू मी. आप अपने पेरेंट्स को परेशान नहीं करोगे, मेरे से पूछोगे. ओके, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर न्यू कोर्स. Students, this time we will learn by step mathematics book. In this book, we have these 15 chapters. Our first chapter is comparison. So, comparison. कंपैरिजन का मीनिंग होता है जब हम दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करें. कंपेयर मतलब कि उनके डिफरेंस. When we are talking about the two things, we will see and find out so many differences in size, in length, in other quantities also. So that's why comparison play a very important role in our daily life. Okay, so first we will learn the small and big thing. We always see small pencil and bigger pencil, small mobile phone and bigger mobile phone, etc. and etc. So first start from this. Here we have two things. First is girl and second is elephant. As you can see, the elephant is big, so this is a bigger thing and this is a smaller thing. Again, here we have a rabbit and a girl, and girl say this thing is smaller than her, and in this manner we will tick these all questions. Okay, we first compare these quantities and then we tick the correct. So first tick the small fruit. As you can see, here two fruits, here are two fruits, and the smaller one we have to tick. So which is smaller? Apple is smaller. Again, there are two fish, we have to select the big fish. Which fish is big? This fish is big. Dolphin is bigger fish than this fish. Okay, so now biggest and smallest. Biggest means सबसे बड़ा, smallest means सबसे छोटा. Okay, as you can see, here are three things, and this is the smallest and this is the biggest. Okay, so we have to select, we have to tick the biggest thing. There are three flowers, and the tick the correct which flower is biggest. Right, this flower is biggest. Which is smallest? Rabbit is smallest. In this manner you will find out the things which are biggest and smallest and which are big and small. आपको उन सभी चीज़ों की पिक्चर मुझे सेंड करनी है. किनके साथ आपने कंपेयर किया ये भी बताना है और उन्हें कॉपी में भी लिखना है. So next is long and short. So as you can see, here are two girls. This girl have a long skirt and this girl has a short skirt. So we compare these two girls and we tell that this is long and this is small. In this manner we will solve these. Tick the child with long hairs. Which child has long hair? check the hairs. This girl. So this is the answer. Now tick the short animal. Which animal is short? Snake is short or this worm is short? This worm is short because snake are long. I hope ये आपको समझ में आए होंगे. If you have any doubt, then ask me again and do practice these questions at home. आपको ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस की फ़ोटोज़ मुझे सेंड करनी है और उनके साथ लिखना है. उन कॉपी में अपनी नोटबुक में लिख के भेजना है, विच आर लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट, स्मॉल एंड बिगर. बाय बाय.